passengers, you have officially arrived to JazzyJenn's highway. Now, if you stop here to find out why I chose to get the Microlocks versus the Sisterlocs, honey, buckle your seatbelts and let's go for a ride, okay? Okay. Ooh, child, that wasn't even right. I gotta practice on that. Let's get crunk. Let's go. We're just gonna get right into it, okay? Yes, I officially have Microlocks. Now, initially, I wanted Sisterlocs. Absolutely, no, hands down, that's what I wanted. I did all the research. You know, it's kind of considered the prestigious hairstyle because it costs so much money. You have to get a certified consultant, you know, but the T, the Sisterlock consultant, you know, and I'm just one that, you know, your word is your bond, you know, professionalism, good customer service, things like that. If I went all out my way and did everything that you had me to do for my hair, and I'm ready to go, you know, and it was just too many gray areas there, and so the business transaction wasn't making it for me. But, you know, after I thought about it and everything, I'm thinking, what's really the difference in a way, you know, because I'm going to insert some pictures here later on, but these are Microlocks. Now, I have 473 locks in my head, and I love them. I can't go anywhere without getting compliments. Everywhere I go, I'm getting some type of compliment. And when you see the pictures, it really is not a too big of a difference. And I'm the type of girl, I don't care if it's just something I like and I can save money, I'm good. I don't have to impress the Joneses or try to live up to the Joneses. I'm good because it is what it is. In the long run, I saved some money. I went from $12.50 is what I would have been charged, and all the way down to $300. Okay, you feel me? So, and my concern was the parting space. As you can see, my parting space is good. You know, I like to style a lot and do different things like that. I'm excited about my journey. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys a little later. I don't have to detangle anymore. None of that mess when I get out of taking my shower and stuff. I don't have to worry about any of that, guys. And so I'm thinking, okay, and I just like to say this is just a sidebar, you know, because I've heard of horror stories with Sisterlock consultants. I mean, I'm going to let you know, Sisterlock people, get your peoples together because it can make your brand look real bad. If you don't get the vibe from that person, and I would be really upset if I were to pay all that kind of money and you don't even know how to do the simple thing. That's a red flag to me that you're not going to probably do my hair the right way. If you're hesitating in doing my hair because it's too much hair, or you tell me stuff like my head is too I got a lot of head, that's what I was told, you know. But anyway, that's on another note. But I just want to leave that tip with you. Just do your research. So I won. Hey, I got what I wanted. I'm looking fly out here. You feel me? Do you feel me? Yes, I love it. I love it. I can't wait till it gets long. Y'all stay with me. Stay with my journey. Stay on my highway, baby, so I can show you in, fill you in. If you have any questions or concerns or anything you want to ask me about my locks, so there you go. We're going to work this thing. Holla at your girl. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye, babes.